Guys, so in this video I would like to show you how you can download Facebook video or any other video using Xenda. So first of all, you go to Facebook. If you see any video you want to download on Facebook, go to your Facebook page. If you see any video, let's download this particular video for instance, as an example. So you copy the link to the video. Once you copy it, then you now go to Xenda. Go to Xenda. When you go to Xenda, click on social. When you click on social, then you see the box that says paste and download. So you can just paste the link there, then it will start downloading. It is quite easy. You can download any social link using this method. Like if you have a video you want to download from, let's say X, you want to download from Twitter, or you want to download from anywhere, so you can just download. So the video has been downloaded, as you can see. So that's how to download any video on Facebook or whatever social media you want to download from. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post the next video. Thank you.